These people's homes have been inundated by water from the Irrawaddy River, which flooded after heavy monsoon rains this year. They are among the 150,000 people across Myanmar who have been impacted by the floods.
We don't have a place to live right now, and we don't have money to buy new land. We have been living in the water like this for a month.
Myanmar's Relief and Reassessment Department estimates that 39,000 households have been evacuated so far. Government and state authorities are also providing food and other relief assistance, but the damage is extensive. Entire villages have been destroyed, along with infrastructure facilities, schools, and community centers. Many of these families don't know how to rebuild their lives.
Going and look at the water just raging, and that is heading towards homes.
A stability failure involves a section of levee sloughing off because of water up against the levee. There are numerous types of erosion failures, but what's prevalent on the Sacramento River flood control system is toe erosion steepening the slope such that it's unstable to the point of collapse and inundation. And then there's levee height. When you get more flow than what they're designed for, oftentimes leads to a levee failure because of water spilling over the top of the levee.
Floodplains behind those levees, the risk of catastrophic flooding continues to increase.
So what do we do to fix levees to deal with those various problems? Stability is dealt with by widening a levee and flattening the slopes.
Erosion is dealt with by building a layer of rock to strengthen the levee and its foundation. For height deficiencies, we construct levees higher or build a flood wall. Even after levees are improved, there will always be risk. That's why continual inspection and maintenance is required.
Every family needs an emergency evacuation plan. You should know where to meet, how you'll get there, and plan for an alternate route. A proper evacuation plan can help get you and your family to safety and avoid getting stranded. Should a catastrophe separate you and your family, it's very important to designate a contact outside of your area. Your contact can be your connection to friends and family, even if there's no way to contact each other directly.